Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a reliable voice changer app and installing any required drivers. This ensures low latency and clean audio. Once installed, grant microphone access and select your input device in both the app and the system. Make sure to set audio routing now. Use the app's built-in routing or a virtual audio cable, because correct routing avoids conflicts with other programs. Doing these first steps saves time and prevents garbled input later when you begin adjusting voice parameters. You now pick a bass preset that matches your target voice, then tweak pitch, formant, and timbre to shape tone and gender cues. These parameters control how natural it sounds. Once done, adjust gain, ec, and a touch of reverb for presence, and turn on noise suppression for noisy environments. Next, run a loopback test into recording software or a private call so you can hear compression and artifacts. If it sounds off, reduce extreme pitch shifts and rebalance EQ until clean and believable. You finish by integrating the voice changer with target apps. Set it as the default microphone in Discord, OBS, or streaming software, and confirm the output channel. Then monitor CPU and audio latency. If you experience glitches, switch to a lower quality preset or disable heavy effects to reduce load. Make sure to test in a real session so you see live behavior. If you run into feedback or silence, recheck audio routing, driver selection, and microphone permissions. Those are the most common causes and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.